Now to draw the rib in the side view, you can take the projection from these 2 points. So take the projection from this point. Okay, and now just draw the vertical line on this line. So that will start from this point and it should end up to this point. So select the bilayer, then select line, and from this point draw vertical line. Okay, so this is the front view for this inclined rib. Now there is one hidden part. So this portion is not visible in the front view. Okay. So from this point, you should draw one hidden line. So before that, take the projection from this horizontal rib. So this line is corresponding to this rib. And you can observe here, we need to extend this point. So for that, we should take the projection from this point of tangency. So from this point, so this is the tangent point. Take this horizontal projector. Again from this point, then draw the vertical line. Now select the bilayer and from this point draw horizontal line up to this point. And similarly on the right side, from this point draw horizontal line up to this point. Okay, then you can delete this projector line. Okay, so this is complete side view. So we should draw the hidden line for this rib. So first draw one line. So up to this line, we should extend this hidden line. So now select the dash line and select bilayer. Again, select line. And from this point up to this line. And again, from this point. Okay. And there is one horizontal hidden line. So you can observe here. So this curve portion for this cylinder is not visible in the front view. Okay. So for this curve portion in the front view, we can observe one horizontal line and that will be hidden. So we should draw horizontal line here, that is a hidden line. So select line from this point, draw the hidden line, again select line, and from this point draw this horizontal line. Okay, and then you can remove this reference line. So this is the exact side view. Okay, and then you can show the center line. So select the center line option. In the top view, you should draw a complete center line like this. So basically this line, it represents the symmetry. So we can observe the symmetry in the top view and in the side view. So similarly, draw the center line in the side view. Okay. Now for this circle, we should show the center. So from this point, draw the perpendicular line. So I think it is not visible, so you can change the scale. So here you can change the scale. Okay, so this is the center. And in the front view, just extend this line. So after this, you can give the dimensions. So you can select the dimension, select linear. First, change the line type, make it bilayer. Okay, so in this way, we can complete this projection. So try to complete this in your drawing book and also do the practice in the CAD software. Okay. So yesterday, I have shared one link on your group for registration on the Autodesk website. Okay, so I will show how to register. So if you have a laptop or PC, then you can download the PC version of this software. Okay, so it is available. It is a free for student. So you will get the student license for 3 years. So just you need to upload the scan copy of your identity card. Okay. So if you don't have ID for first year, then you can upload the fee receipt.